How we've streamlined our rack building process is we've set it up as a assembly line fashion. So each station has a couple guys that are specialized in what they do. So the first step will be the guys taking the steel post and the steel side pieces of an easy rack and setting up a bottom frame. And it'll be a couple guys with a jig that have been doing that for weeks and weeks. They get really good at it. And they set it onto a rolling conveyor belt where they push it down the line to the next group of guys who are setting up the layers. And they have a really easy way of determining the space between the layers based on which plants are going to be shipping on that rack. So they get the layers all set up and they slide it down to the next stage, which is the guys taking a finished shelf onto the rack and setting it in place. And then it goes down to the end where it gets clipped on the piece of paper with the shipping sheet. And from there, a forklift operator will pick it up, put it onto a rolling base so that it's easy for transport around the nursery, where it goes to the final stage of where it gets loaded for shipping. So we make all of our own shelves here in-house at Qualitree with our own wood shop. We get raw materials in, we cut it here, and we have an automated machine that staples the shelves together. It's quite a new machine for us. We've previously been doing it by hand with a staple gun, just banging away with many guys in the shop, and now one guy is able to do the whole process by himself, start to finish, with this new machine that we got built. We've seen really big improvements since starting this new process. We used to do it in about 10 minutes with the same size team of 7 guys, and we've gotten that down now to 4 minutes with the same team and everything else being the same. So less than half the time because we've set things up in an assembly line fashion.